In the late 1890s, the streets of Dayton, Ohio were humming with the metallic click of chains and the whir of rubber tires. At the heart of this bicycle craze were two brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright. While the world's most funded scientists were trying to solve flight using massive steam engines and rigid designs, the Wright brothers were covered in grease, fixing flat tires and truing wheels. This mechanics mindset was exactly why they succeeded where geniuses failed. To the Wrights, an airplane wasn't a flying ship, it was a high-speed bicycle for the sky. Most early inventors obsessed over inherent stability. They wanted a plane that would stay level on its own, like a boat. But the Wrights knew from years of riding and building bikes that the most efficient vehicles are inherently unstable. A bicycle wants to fall over, but it becomes a precision tool once a human learns to balance it. This realization was their eureka moment. They decided that a pilot shouldn't just sit in a plane, they should drive it. Their shop at 1127 West 3rd Street became a laboratory of innovation by necessity. When they realized the scientific lift tables of the day were dangerously inaccurate, they didn't give up. They built a makeshift wind tunnel out of a starch box and used a bicycle spoke balance to measure the lift of different wing shapes. They were the first to understand that a propeller wasn't just a fan, it was actually a vertical rotating wing. Because no automobile manufacturer could provide an engine that was light enough and powerful enough, they simply built their own in the back of the shop using a block of raw aluminum. The ultimate bicycle trick they brought to the sky was wing warping. By observing how a cyclist leans into a curve to maintain balance, they developed a system of pulleys and cables that twisted the wings of their glider. This allowed the pilot to roll the aircraft left or right, mimicking the lean of a bike. When the Wright Flyer finally lifted off the sands of Kitty Hawk in 1903, it carried the DNA of the American workshop. It was lightweight, wire-braced, and required the active balance of a trained operator. The Wright brothers didn't conquer the air with a magic formula. They did it by applying the grit, tools, and physics of a common American bicycle shop to the greatest challenge in human history.